I'm almost to the other side.
Mom, stop the car! What's wrong? There's a turtle trying to cross the road.
This has taken me all day.
It's going so slow. You got this, little guy. What's taking so long? I can't wait any longer. I'll go help him get across.
I don't need any help.
Let's bring you over here.
This isn't the side I was going to.
You'll be safe here.
Now I have to start all over.
Don't just leave it on the side of the road. I'll bring him home and leave him in the backyard.
My family's over there. Where are they taking Dad?
You're gonna love the backyard.
I'm being kidnapped.
You're free to go.
Where the heck am I?
I did a good thing today.